What is the one thing that kind of stuck out to you about the program?
Probably just how much detail and in-depth you guys went on the electrical. I didn't realize how much HVAC actually had to do with electrical. I almost feel like you need an electrical engineer degree to do HVAC now.
But so the hopscotch method and how we a systematic approach to diagnostic. How do you feel about that stuff?
I think you guys broke it down to a level where pretty much anybody with no experience whatsoever in the electrical or HVAC field could actually diagnose the system.
Now tell us, how will what you learned in class better you as a technician in the field?
As far as what I've learned in the class, I can take that straight to the field and help customers and help my business become profitable.
Absolutely. Where would you say your level of knowledge was at the start of the class versus where it is now?
It definitely was a 0 when I started the class. I think I've risen up to about a 7 or an 8.
Congratulations, and we really appreciate you coming.